Hello everyone, welcome back again to this channel. A big shout out to all my subscribers, both old and new. Thanks for always tuning in. So let's make this delicious pasta together. First, place your deep saucepan on the heat, then add some water, cover and let it boil. After boiling your hot water, then add in your pasta. I'm using 400 grams of pasta. So add small amount of vegetable oil, then give it a quick stir, cover the pot and let it cook until it becomes tender. So next, check on the pasta, take it off the heat, then wash and set it aside. Next, place your pan on the heat, add some vegetable oil, let it heat up, then add in your sliced onion. Stir fry the onion for about 2 to 3 minutes. Two minutes later, add the fresh sliced tomatoes, then stir it continuously while you fry on a medium heat. This will only take you for about 3 to 4 minutes to fry. So after stir frying your tomato for about 4 minutes, then go ahead and add your spices. Here I will add my garlic powder, chopped ginger, curry powder, salt to taste, rosemary, dried parsley leaf, black pepper powder, and also my powdered chili. And while adding your spices, make sure you stir it so that your tomato won't burn. So next, I'm going to add my chicken stock cube. After adding the chicken stock cube, I'm going to stir fry for another 2 minutes. So next, I'm going to go ahead to introduce my chicken sausage. This is actually a homemade chicken sausage, and if you want to see how I made this healthy and delicious chicken sausage, check it out on my channel. So just give it a quick stir, then add in your well cleaned pasta. After adding in the pasta, use your spatula to properly mix everything together. Next, I will add in the sliced green bell pepper and also a pinch of salt to taste. And after that, I'll give it a quick stir, then cover it and let it cook on a low heat for about 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, take the pasta off the heat, then serve and enjoy. And if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like and share. You can also try out this recipe at home and share with us what you think about it on the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if today is your first time of coming across my channel. See you all on my next video. Bye.